I'm Courtney Mills. I'm doing a level 3 apprenticeship at Abacus Day Nursery. I chose an apprenticeship because I prefer to work hands-on or be in the setting that I'm going to be learning in rather than doing on paper I've received support from my mentors and colleagues by them always checking in on how I'm doing, or if I'm doing something new, then they'll talk me through it or come up to me and help me if I need help. And they always offer me support with the college side of it as well. I go to college once a month and my tutor will keep in touch and come and visit me at work to ask me how I'm doing and if I need help with anything. I think my apprenticeship's going to help prepare me for the future because I think I'm going to be more experienced and confident. My proudest achievement so far in my apprenticeship is probably being able to now deal with challenging behaviours or coping with stressful situations. My advice to someone that's considering an apprenticeship would be to definitely apply for it and do it because it's a lot more hands-on and you get to learn and you get to bond with the children. Whereas if you get your level 3 or whatever you're going to get and then come here, you might not, you learn more, I think, being practical. Yeah.